In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Monday.com. If you're juggling projects across both tools, this quick setup will help you keep tasks aligned, reduce duplicate work, and give your team a single source of truth. Let's start inside your Monday.com account. Open the board where you want Asana items to flow. Here, it's a board called Trial Management. If you have many boards, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once the board loads, make sure you can see its columns clearly. This helps later when you match fields between the two platforms. If you're missing access to the board, check with your workspace admin before moving on. With the board open, look toward the top right for the Integrate button. Depending on your interface, it may say Integrate or Integrations and show a small puzzle icon. Click it to open Monday.com's Integration Center. This area is where you connect third-party apps to a specific board so automations run exactly where you need them. If the button isn't visible, you may not have permission to add integrations on this board. In that case, ask an admin to enable it or add the integration for you. In the Integration Center, find and select Asana. You'll see a gallery of ready-made templates, often called recipes, that describe what will happen between the two tools. Browse the options and pick the one that best matches your workflow, such as creating a new item in Monday.com when a task is created in Asana, or updating status when something changes on either side. Choosing the right template is key. Think about whether you want a one-way flow from Asana to Monday.com or a two-way sync that keeps both up to date. After you choose a template, Monday.com will guide you through a few quick prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to connect your Asana account, choose the correct Asana workspace and project, then select the Monday.com board you already opened. You'll also map fields like task name, assignee, due date, and status to the matching columns in Monday.com. Keep field names consistent to make mapping easier and start simple. You can always refine the mapping later. Before rolling it out to your full team, test with a single task to confirm it appears where you expect and that updates flow correctly. If you notice duplicates or unexpected changes, switch to a one-way template or adjust your field mapping. Once it looks good, you're set. That's all it takes. Open your board, click Integrate, then choose an Asana template that fits your needs. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, more connected workflow.